Right, now I'm going to take you through this little problem here. It's a SAT style question. On Saturday, Lara read 2/5 of her book. On Sunday, she read the other 90 pages to finish the book. How many pages are there in Lara's book? So, the first thing I did to approach this problem, I wrote out the key information. I wrote out that on Saturday, Lara read 2/5 of her book, but we don't know how many pages that equates to. And then on Sunday, we know that she had read 90 pages and then her book was complete. So we already know that on Saturday, Lara read 2/5 of her book. So we want to work out what fraction of her book did she read on Sunday. So we know that she completed the book, so we need to work out what fraction we need to add to 2/5 that would equal a whole. So I know that a whole in terms of fifths is 5. 5/5 equals 1 whole. Therefore, 2/5 add blank fifths equals 5/5. So we want to work out this fraction here because that can tell us how much of the book Lara read on Sunday. Now I know that 5 take away 2 is 3, 2 add 3 is 5. So therefore, on Sunday, Lara read 3/5 of her book. So now we know that 3/5 is the same as 90 pages. So I now want to work out how many pages 2/5 is worth, then it will give us the total amount of pages that the book has. So we want to work out how many pages 2/5 equals. If I know that 3/5 is 90 pages, I want to work out 1/5 to then calculate 2/5. To work out 1/5, what I can do is I can take my 90 and I can split it 3 ways because this totals 3/5, but I want to work out 1/5. So if 90 is 3/5, what I can do is split it into 3. I can do 90 divided by 3, which equals 30. Therefore, I now know that 1/5 equals 30 pages. Now I've worked out how many pages 1/5 equals, I can easily work out how many pages 2/5 equals just using repeated addition. If 1/5 equals 30, 2/5 is 1/5, add 1/5, so it would be 30. Add 30 equals 60, which equals 2/5. So now I know that 2/5 of the book is worth 60 and 3/5 is worth 90. So the total number of pages, all we have to do is add together the total of 2/5 and add together the total of 3/5. So we're going to do 60 add 90. Well, I know that 6 add 9 is 15, so 60 add 90 must be 150.